This is problem 13.5.1.
Yes.
Right? And we're asked 2 choose 2
A.
plus 3 choose 2.
A.
Right, A. 2 choose 2 plus 3 choose 2 all the way up to 7 choose 2.
Yes.
Right? Okay. So the first thing to do, if we're going to do this using the hockey stick identity, is to find the hockey stick. So let's zoom in a little bit, and I'll let you find the hockey stick.
This is your... I want to change the pointer. It'll be easier actually with the circle one this time.
Okay.
This is 0, choose 0. Here is... and we're going on this line, so
right.
0, 1, 2.
Okay, so this is choose
2.
Right.
This is 3, choose 2. Dark blue. I just want to be able to edit this thing. Okay, so this is 0, 1, 2. So this is 2, choose 2.
Mm-hmm.
3, choose 2. 4, choose 2. 5, choose 2. 6, choose 2. 7, choose 2. 8, choose 2. Now we have a pretty good idea of where our hockey stick is, actually.
Right, we have a really good idea. We know exactly.
Okay.
Okay. So now what does that tell us about this answer then?
So basically, this thing.
All right, so we accidentally clicked save. Now we're continuing.
Okay. So now this.
So you want to write or do you want to point?
So this question mark.
Yeah.
Is equal to whichever. This is 2 choose 2.
So there you go.
2 choose 2. 3 choose 2. 4, 5, 6, 7 choose 2.
Mm-hmm.
So we know this must be 0, 1, 2, 3. So it's something choose 3. And this will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer must be 8 choose 3.
Okay. And that's pretty much totally straightforward hockey stick identity stuff.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so now we're doing part B
Yes.
of 13.5.1.
Yes.
And it's 5 choose 3.
3 plus 6 choose 3 plus 7 choose 3 all the way up until 10 choose 3.
Okay, so right away, so this is equal to question mark. Right away, what makes this hard compared to the previous problem? Why is this? So the previous problem was kind of a really easy hockey stick identity, right? Yeah. What makes this one not so really easy right at the beginning?
Well, first of all, it starts at 5 over 3.
Exactly. That's kind of like, we look at it right away, and it's not exactly...
So 5 over 3 would be...
Let's zoom in a little bit. Uh-oh. So, hold on. You gotta be... If we both press a button at the same time... Well, it'll crash, too. So, let's make sure we save this, actually. Okay. Back to recording. Making sure that... we
program
don't...
doesn't quit on us.
Yeah. Let's look for...
5 choose 3.
Okay, find it. You switch to the red pointer?
That one easier.
The small one?
Yeah. No, big one's probably easier. You can actually see it. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
And so now?
But now you need 5 choose 3. What you're on is 5 choose 5, right?
Mm-hmm. So that's... And so basically, the row in which it is, that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's this row.
Be careful. Look, you.
No, I went on 2 different rows.
So the eraser will erase that. Okay.
It is this row right here.
Right. So that row is n equals 5.
But we're not just looking at 4. we're not looking for this point. We are looking for this. We're looking for 5, 2, 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. We're looking for this point instead.
Right.
So that's what, because it doesn't start on this.
Then we need 5, 6, 7. Okay.
It doesn't start on this axis here. Whoops.
Whoa. Let's erase that. Okay.
So it doesn't start on that axis. So basically, what we can say is like when we're drawing our hockey stick. So that's 5. So we have to start here, and then it goes all the way down to 10. So here's the next one. Here's the next one. And the next one.
Let's count so we know when to stop, right?
Okay. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Choose 3.
Okay. So then what's the hockey stick result?
It looks like that.
Okay, but what is this result? What number?
We can't be sure, but it's not on this gigantic axis here.
Right. But let's say if we had included these two, then we would know the answer.
Yes.
Right? So think about, what if I go back and I add in 2 things that I know in my mind I'm actually going to subtract in the end, right? So I'm going to add in plus, so I'm writing them in fat yellow.
That's fine. I can see the fat yellow.
Yeah, but I'm adding these knowing that I'm going to subtract them.
Yeah. That's why yellow's a good color.
Okay.
For this.
If I add all of this up, what we just saw is that all of this is this exact hockey stick. Right?
Yes.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All of them choose 3. What do they add up to? What is this? What's this number? If this one's 10, choose 3. So let's zoom in. If this is 10, choose 3. What's this one? 10, choose 3. N is 10.
Yes.
What's N here? Ten, choose 3. What's this one right here? 10, choose 4. Right? Okay. What's this thing? Okay, so count if you have to. We'll go back. Go ahead and do the counting. It's on the pointer.
Okay. So since this is 0, 1, 2, and this is the 3. So it's going to be, basically, it's going to be 3, choose, and it's in this row here. So it's going to be 3, choose 3 to start. So we're going to go all the way down. And here, we know this is 10, choose 4.
No, this one is 10, choose 4. I was just putting that there to help you. This one is 10, choose 3.
And so this one right here, change the color. Something that we haven't used so far. Red. Hi. So this one, wait, not that dot. Erase. No, didn't work.
What do you want to erase? This?
Yeah.
We can erase a lot of this stuff.
Okay.
Be careful though, because, alright.
Okay, so this point basically right here is, this point is also here. So that point, basically, if it was starting from up here and going down, it would also basically be like...
Okay,
So-
just wanted to make sure we got it saved. Back to recording. Let's go back to the arrow. 3 choose 3.
Yes.
What's
And
this one?
4 choose 3, 5 choose 3, 10 choose 3.
Right.
This is 11 choose 4.
Good. Okay. So all of this then adds up to, let's go back to the original question. All of this stuff, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way up to 10, adds up to, you just told me.
11 choose 4.
Right. Okay, but that wasn't what we were asked, right?
No.
We were asked for this bunch of stuff.
Okay.
Remember why we wrote this in yellow?
Yeah. To get at it and subtract it.
Right.
So now we have this, and now we're going to zoom out. This seems a little big. And so then we're just going to... Oh, wait, we did it in purple, so we should stay in purple?
I guess. I'm not exactly sure. So what are you trying to do now?
Oh, yeah, we did in purple. Okay. So basically, we need to find this little hockey stick here.
Exactly. Right. And what's that add up to?
This one right here is... This is
Here, we'll do a totally different color. How about
green or something.
we haven't used orange. Orange.
Yeah, we've used orange a little
But
bit.
we erased it all somehow.
Okay.
So we're wondering what this thing is right here.
So that point right there, somewhere in there, will be the
So let's count. 0.
1, 2, 3, 4. It'll be 4 choose 5.
Be careful.
4 choose 4.
Count again.
1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
4 choose 5. Wait.
So if it was this, it would be 5 choose 5.
1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be 4 choose 5.
So when it's close to over here, you can just count backwards from
Not
5.
true.
Right? You could do 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Or you can go 0, 1.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. So this spot right here, what is it? What's the formula for this spot? You lied. I think you forgot. Let's count again. 0.
Wait, it could be 5 choose 4.
5 choose 4. Good. Now, what was the whole point of figuring out 5 choose 4?
So we could subtract.
Right, this bunch of stuff right here was 5 choose 4. Right, so what is our answer?
It's 6 choose 4.
No, 5 choose 4. I don't know
No,
where
our
I get.
answer.
Wait a minute. Let's erase this because you put that extra fraction bar in there. Okay. 11 choose 4 minus.
Minus 12.
Whoa.
Whoops. Okay. Okay, so this is 11 choose 4. Correct?
The whole thing, without subtracting this bit, is 11 choose 4.
So this is not 11. It's 5 choose 4.
That's the part we need to subtract. Right? So then what's the answer?
This is minus 5 choose 4.
Okay. And you said 6 choose 4 because I think you were just subtracting 11 minus 5. But that's not actually a rule.
Okay.
Right? That's not like, it's not a rule of Pascal's triangle.
Oh.
You know? Like these are just numbers and you just subtract them. So just like in the previous slide or the previous video, we kind of just left our answer
Well, you could
as
simplify them and then subtract them. Like if one simplifies out to 32 and the other one simplifies
Exactly.
out to like 5, then you just
exactly. That's
go.
exactly what you do.
Say 20.
So, just like in the previous video, we left our answer like this. You can actually
Simplify.
get out your calculating skills. So I wouldn't. Let's try to do it without a calculator.
Okay. My
Okay.
machine. That's almost a computer.
Let's do. What is 11 choose 4? What's the formula?
11 choose 4. It will be 11
11 factorial over
6 factorial.
no 4
Over
and
4
7,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay, 11 factorial over 7 factorial is kind of a dumb way to write 11 times 10 times 9 times 8.
Over 7. Over
No, this
over
part
4,
that I've
though,
written
sorry.
is what I've canceled down to 11 to 8.
Over 4.
Right?
3, 2, 1.
4 times 3 times 2.
2 times 1.
Okay,
And like you could go 4, 2, cancel with 8.
exactly.
And then you're going 3 and 9.
Okay, those become 3.
Can't simplify it all.
3 times 10 times 11. What's that?
330.
Exactly.
So it isn't 32. That's what I thought it was.
Okay, 330 minus, what's 5 choose 4? So this is one we can do without even using the formula. Remember, 5 choose 4 is actually the same as 5 choose 1.
Yeah. Which
If I want to choose 4 people to be members, it means choosing one person to leave out.
Yeah, so that's 4.
5 choose 1 is
5.
5, right? So 330 minus 5 is 325.
325.
Okay?
Sounds like time.
All right. Let's see if we can do the last one.
Okay.
Okay. For this one, we're asked, and we're running out of time. So we've got 8 minutes to finish this problem. So it's like a contest. You're running out of time, right? You made it to the hard problem. This is 13.5.1c,
Yes, it is.
right? Okay. So now we got to figure out, we got 6 choose 0, 7 choose 1, 8 choose 2. Where does all that live on
6 choose 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 choose 0 is all the way across here.
Okay, 6 choose 0. Where is 7 choose 1? So let's go ahead and mark that. We'll use
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 choose 0.
right. So go ahead and mark it.
7 choose 1. All the way down to what again?
So this was 6 choose 0, 7 choose 1, 8 choose 2. It was all the way down to 15 choose 9. Okay, 6. So we got 6.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay, so I got my eye on it.
This one is the last one.
I think so. I don't know. Let's count again.
Yeah,
Let's make
okay.
sure. 6. Whoops. 6, 7, 8.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
One more.
One more. 15.
Okay, so the question is, this doesn't look like a hockey stick. It's like a hockey stick that goes backwards.
Yeah.
But remember, the magic of Pascal's triangle tells us that this number is the same as this number,
Oh, true?
and this number is the same as that number.
Oh.
Do you see what's happening?
Hold on. Then how would it go? Go like that?
Sure. Okay, this looks like the stick. And then we can make it a hockey. Right?
It's hockey.
Okay, looks like it was actually pretty easy. So now we have to actually figure out what
That is.
this is. But before we do that, I want to write out numerically what it was that we just did. When we took this position and traded it for this position, what did we do in terms of the sum? We traded 6 choose 0 for what? What is this spot? If this is 6 choose 0, what's this?
That's 6 choose 6.
Right. Okay. So 6 choose 0, same as 6 choose 6. Right? And when I traded 7 choose 1 for something, what did I trade it for?
7 choose 6.
Right. And then 8 choose 2, what did I trade that for?
2 5.
2 5?
5.
Be careful. If I'm doing 6 choose 6, 7 choose 6, what's this?
6.
8
So
choose 6.
8 choose 6.
9 choose 6.
10 choose 6. 11 choose 6.
Okay, so the problem we were given can be traded for one that looks like a hockey stick.
Yay.
And remember, this is the concept of like, if I need to pick 9 people to be in the committee, it's the same as picking 6 people not in the committee. If I want to pick 2 people in my committee, it's the same as picking 6 people not in the committee. Okay? So what we're really doing here is we're using the symmetry of Pascal's triangle
To save us.
to take this line and trade it for a hockey stick line. Okay? Now, what's the punch line? What is the target? The target number.
That's now shaded heavily in purple.
Right. What was this? What was this thing? Where did we end? We ended at 15 choose 6.
That's what's going to be 16 choose 7.
So this thing right here,
The heavily purple one.
16 choose 7. Right?
Uh-huh.
So that means in the end, the answer is,
16 choose 7.
you know what goes at the end of your proof, right?
Yes.
What?
QED.
Nope.
What does that happen to stand for?
And the crowd goes wild,
Oh,
right?
really?
Yeah. So QED is too fancy. QED is for like ancient Greece. That's what they did. So now it's like, you know, the crowd erupts in applause when you come up with the answer 16 choose 7.
This is very weird.
Okay, well, anyway, we can do it here because it's not official school,
Okay.
right?